Alright, welcome back to Flourish, and in today's video we're going to be looking at my blocks in Scratch. So what are the objectives of today's video? We're going to be looking at what my blocks are, uses of my blocks, creating my blocks in Scratch, and then we're going to be creating a small project. So now, what is my block? My block is a user-made custom block in Scratch. So what it means is that you can actually create your own block and then use it in your Scratch project. All right, so I'm going to be explaining more on that in the Scratch environment. All right, so that's it. It's a user-made custom block, and it is used to run blocks of code in only one block. We'll create our project, and we're just going to make it as simple as possible. So we're going to be using this for my explanation. I'm going to name my project my blocks because I want to explain how to use this last part of the block, which is my blocks. So now, to create your own user-made custom block, let me first tell you what a block is. A block is this. These are example of block. You see, so it means that there's a definition of move block in Scratch that we're not seeing. Yes, there's a definition of all these blocks that we're not seeing, but this is what we're using. All right, so that means the people that developed Scratch actually wrote the function, the block move steps, and hid it from us. All we're just doing right now is to use that block. So, but in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a block, to define a block, and then use it. All right, let's get into it. Now, to create a block, you go to My Blocks, and then you click on what? Make block. Now, in this case, looking at our project, we want to look at appear and disappear. So we're going to create the first block, which is what? Disappear. And I click on OK for now. So this is the simplest block that you can create. So disappear, can you see it's called define? So this is where we're going to define our block. Now, to make a sprite disappear, you're going to make use of a code called ghost effect. So you're going to say change ghost effect by 10, and then you put it in repeat 10. In fact, I want to change it to repeat 20, and I'll put it 5. Now, when you click on this, you see our sprite goes off. Let's bring it back. When you click on it, our sprite goes off. Now, but we want to actually attach it to a block. So that's why we're going to attach it to what? Disappear that we created. So now, whenever we want to use disappear, we just call it right here, which is like this, disappear. Are you seeing that? So we have defined this block, and then we're going to be using it right after now. So this is how to make a block. This is how to use it. Now, to use it, we're going to say, we're going to pick an event. Say what? When this sprite is clicked. I want to actually, when this sprite is clicked, I want it to actually disappear. So now that is what I've done. So I have defined the block right here, and I'm using it. So when I click on this flag now, it disappears. So that is the first block. Now the second one is we want it to appear. Now to appear again, we're going to create another block, and then we're going to make a block, and then we're going to call it what? Appear. And then we'll press enter and click on OK. Now this is the block. So we're going to define what appear will do. Appear is just to make the sprite come back. So to do that, you're going to right click, duplicate, and then you attach it to it, and then you change it to minus. Yeah, this is for appear. Change -5. Now, so that when I call appear, so under what event do I want to call appear? So maybe when space is clicked, I want my sprites to appear. Now, what this have done is, okay, when I bring it back now and I click on the sprite, it is going to disappear. But now when I click on spacebar, it appears. So this is how simple a block is. This is the simplest form of block. I hope you understand this. Thank you all for the blocks. I hope you understand this. I hope it's simple enough. I want you to subscribe, like, comment in the comment section below. Create a lot of blocks for this sprites. Create a lot of blocks for this sprite and then check how you're going to use it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a little bit more advanced block. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.